Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the control panel for a website that is being hosted. And we're here because we're going to build a website in order for you to communicate your unique selling proposition on an ongoing basis. And if your website and hosting has control panel, or otherwise called cPanel, as you can see in the top left, you're typically going to have an area where you're going to have software that you can install. And in particular, you're going to have an application you can install called WordPress. And that is what we are going to do in order to create a website. We are going to go to the WordPress Manager. And when you click on the New Site button in order to install your WordPress software, you can install that WordPress website in a specific directory, or you can install it in the root domain or directory. Now, for the sake of example, in this video, we are going to create our home base or our WordPress website in a specific subdomain, and we're going to call it home base. You do not have to call your subdirectory home base, nor do you have to install it in a subdirectory. We're going to create an admin user, an admin password, and we're going to make sure it's going to be one where we can write it down and log in using it. And what we're going to do is click the Install button. And our control panel says our site is now installed. We're going to go to the link that it gives us in order to go to that website. We can then use the login and password that we created. We have then installed our site. Now, this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to create a WordPress website. However, we are going to go over just a few basics. Now, if we want to change how the website looks, we can go to the appearance area and we can go to the themes. And basically what we can do is we can change the outer appearance of our website, and we can do that by going to this Add New button. And we can choose any of the free themes that WordPress makes available to us. If we want to customize the way we want the website to look, we can go to the Feature Finder and we can sort for all of the different themes that we are going to be able to use. If we want to change the functionality of the website, we can go to the Plugins area. We can then click Add New Plugin. Once we get to this page, what we can do is we can write in the functionality that we want. WordPress will search its database, and what we can do is we can then install the plugin to change the functionality of the site. WordPress does come installed with several themes. We can choose one of those things, we can activate it, and then that will be our theme, and we can begin to work on and customize our site. And our site is now ready for customization. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.